Hi friends, it's Liz here. Thank you for joining me today. I have the unboxing for your Creative Studio subscription box. This one is the July box. I get them a few months after they have been released, and this is just to show you what was in the boxes. This one happens to have this really lovely stamp. I think anything with a typewriter I absolutely love, so that will be added to my little stash of typewriter themed ephemera. It comes with another stamp, and this one looks like a rooster, so I'm not sure how that goes with this, but it's cute, and I can't wait to see how they stamp out. If you are interested in details on your creative studio, I will leave a link to their shop in the description box below, as well as previous unboxings that I have done. I usually try to show you a project that I have made with the items that came in the box, and this one is definitely no different. But what I will be doing in this one is I'll be showing you a project that I did with the last box that I showed you. So many goodies in that box, and I had this idea to make something really quick and fun, and so I will show you that after I show you what's in this lovely box. As always, questions, comments, please leave them below, but like I said, I will be linking their shop in the description box below for you to check out the goodies that they've included, and also I guess the details on the next few months that are coming out. This little booklet has some stickers, and they've done the design so it looks like a faux vintage postage stamp, which I think is really cute. Now this is new. First, look at the cute little charm with the little camera. And this is like a little camera coin purse, I think, and it's super cute. I really like that they've included this in it. That is such a cute idea, and I like how it feels, that like little keychain, so that will definitely be useful and nice to kind of carry, coins around. This is another stamp set, and this one looks like it's like a camera and film. Now I remember maybe a year ago, maybe a little more than that, there was another sort of camera themed box, and it's really nice that I can now combine those two together. So I will try and go through my stash of items and see if I can maybe make a project that has like a camera or photo theme. We'll see how that turns out. They've included another little pack of ephemera, and these ones are so cute because there's such a variety of pieces and paper. So even the way that the papers feel is really nice because it's just different textures and colors and designs. They also include some of these nice stickers, which are like a little bit of like that see-through material. I always forget the name of it when I'm like filming, my friends. I have no idea. It's like I get this block as soon as I start to film. All right, so the next one here is another ephemera pack. And this one looks like it has a variety of papers in it. And so it looks like it's just different advertisements in different sizes and colors of paper as well, which, as I mentioned, it's really nice. It all coordinates together, so easy to put a project together, and definitely includes lots of ephemera for you to use in your project. So I really, really like these boxes. There's always something new and something fun to go through. And this next one, I believe it's still ephemera pieces. Now, when you see your Creative Studio on the packaging, that means it's exclusive to your Creative Studio, so they actually have made this for their shop. All of these look like a little Polaroid, different colors and designs. This is very cute. I can't wait to use this one. I love that idea. Using Polaroids in my projects, or like, faux Polaroids, is one of my favorite things. And look at the texture on the paper. These ones have like a really nice texture on the back, which is really nice. I also like that there's like different sizes of them and different colors of the paper. And here it looks like another little paper pad with a variety of collaged pieces, which is always nice to use. It almost looks like smaller pieces of like those larger journaling pages that I see. So it's really nice to see a tiny version of that as well. Now this one happens to be the sticker set that usually comes with it as well, exclusive to your creative studio. And then we have the tissue paper, which I think is also really nice to include. I'll probably be using that in my next project. And then this one here, which happens to be the larger ephemera. Now these are always fun. I just realized that these are the ones that include a sticker sheet, a vellum sheet, and then a couple of pieces of just the regular paper, but it's all like, you know, the same design on 3 or 4 sheets, as you can see here. So you've got like a regular paper, a sticker sheet paper, and then the vellum and the little kind of harder cardstock piece. So I'll just show you the different designs that are included in this one. So the project I'm going to share with you was something that I really enjoyed doing. It was so fun to put together, and let me know what you think. As always, I love to hear your input. Also, let me know how you would like to see these unboxing videos. Do you like to see the unboxing first and then maybe a project that I've made? Or do you prefer to see the project first and then the unboxing afterwards? I'm trying to figure out the best way to, to share these with you because, of course, I enjoy doing them. I enjoy showing you the different companies that have items for, our junk journals, etc. But I also like to know how you like to see those. So leave a comment below and let me know. All right, so here's what I made. And this is, as I mentioned, using the last unboxing items, which had like a lot of florals in it. So I decided to make these really cute pockets, just different types of pieces on the pockets. These happen to be my little mini Polaroids from my vintage Polaroid collection. And then I used some additional ephemera that I had. I think there's some from Artie Mays, maybe some from Tracy Fox, I believe, as well. I've used some of the ephemera. But here you can see I just used those little floral items, some of the washi tape, again with my Polaroids, a little bit of lace. And so these are pockets that I'm hoping to make different styles and themes so I can add them to my snail mail that I'm preparing. I think they're super cute and easy to do. If you want to see a tutorial, let me know. Leave a comment below and I'll come up with one. But I just thought I would show you the different designs that I used. And this is, again, using most of the items from the last unboxing for your creative studio. And, of course, some items that I had in my stash. And it's so cute to kind of make the ephemera look very similar, or cohesive, because I'm using the items that came in the box. So they already go together, as you can see here with the florals. And then this last one here, again, with the lovely floral. I've got some of my digital sentiments here from one of my kits, as well as my vintage Polaroids, as I mentioned, and then some ephemera that I had from Tracy Fox collection. So yeah, let me know if you want to see a tutorial for these, and I'll come back again very soon and show you what else I've made with this last unboxing. I hope you're having a lovely day, and I will see you very soon with more videos. Thanks so much for stopping by.